how to find useless data for calls settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find useless data for calls on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp. Here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings. Here you will find notifications. Click on it and then not notifications, this one, storage and data, and here you will find that you can turn it on or off or anything you want, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.